Hey, good morning, friends. Welcome back to Bhau-Automation Lab once again. In this online session of BrowserStack video tutorials, we have already learned introduction part of BrowserStack. Also, I have already explained you guys in the introduction part how to perform manual testing in different browsers, different OS, and different devices on BrowserStack. Okay, in this online video session, second part of online video session, we'll try to learn uh, how to run your Selenium script on BrowserStack. Okay, we'll launch one browser where we launch one website like google.com. We'll search something there. Okay, and we'll do that practically. So that let's do that practically in Eclipse. So this connectivity part of BrowserStack is a little tricky. You just understand it's very easy, simple if you are do it the simple steps. Okay, so just follow the tutorial still end and you will get idea how to run your Selenium script on BrowserStack. Okay, so let's go into the Eclipse. I'll open my Eclipse here. Okay, and we'll create a one script here to connect with BrowserStack and launch Chrome browser in BrowserStack. So APM demo is the one project. APM Maven project I have already created here. Okay, in the pom.xml I have added two dependencies, Java client and Selenium Java. This Java client dependency I'll explain you through like mobile browsers, the mobile automations like app automation, browser automation through APM. So I have added Java client dependency, and in this tutorial I'm going to explain you how to run Selenium script. So I have added Selenium latest dependency as well. Okay, so Selenium Java. If you don't know how to create the Maven project, how to add this dependency in pom.xml, guys, so watch, go to the Bhau-Automation lab and just search here in Bhau-Automation lab in the browser and go to this playlist section. Okay, and this playlist section we have Maven introduction and Selenium playlist, everything. Okay, in this playlist we have already explained how to work with Maven project and how to create a Maven project and all those things. Okay, so I'll just add these two dependencies. So I'll go, we have one package APM BrowserStack, so I'm going to create a one new class here like Selenium with BrowserStack. Okay, just a minute. BrowserStack, I just finished it. So I'm going to explain you in the main method itself. Okay, you want to create your test in the XML file as per your convenient project and create the project as per your requirement. Okay, I'll just show you the connectivity, how to work with that, and the rest of the things will be depend on you, how we can you want to manage as per your the project. Okay, so I'll just write a main method here, start required main in the project, and I'll set some desired capabilities here. Okay, we require to set some desired capability, so I'll just set up some desired capabilities here. Just type the desired capabilities. So I'll get caps is equal to new desired capabilities. After that, let's set up something like a caps dot set capability. Set capability. So I'll set up the capability name like OS in small letter, guys. It's a case sensitive, so understand this concept very carefully. Okay, and I'll set up the OS is Windows on BrowserStack. Okay, then set up second one capability like a caps dot set capability. Okay, and the capability name is OS version. OS and the version is underscore version. This is the syntax. Okay, OS underscore version, and let's say version of OS 10. Okay, and then let's set capability again one more, and here let's say set a browser version, browser underscore version. We require to set that one. So let's say before that we require to set browser. So before browser version, let's set up browser first. Okay, so browser, and let's say I want to run my script on Chrome. Okay, let's set one more capability, caps dot set capability. Set capability, this time we require to set browser version. Let's set browser underscore version, and version of browser. Let's say we want to run some middle versions like Chrome of 80 version. Okay, after that, let's say, okay, set up script name. So I'll set setup caps dot set capability. Okay, so script name is equal to just share name, and is, let's say, um, okay. So we have set up script successfully. Name we can set like a search lab is the name, and after that we require to set up WebDriver. So I'll set up WebDriver, and that name as driver is equal to, now let's say, new. While working with the Selenium, we are set up here like a Chrome driver, right? So we require to set up here remote driver. Okay, remote WebDriver, remote WebDriver. Okay, and just import that remote WebDriver. Also import WebDriver as well, and set up that remote driver like this. Remote WebDriver is equal to new, and here we require to set URL, and here we require to pass browser stack URL. So I will store somewhere browser stack URL and pass it here, and just pass the capabilities here. Okay, we have created this capability, right? So we require to pass URL in this bracket. So let's set up URL before main method. So I'll set up URL like public. Let's say static final string. It's not changeable string. So like public static final string. Name as URL is equal to, we require to set up browser stack URL here. So just type like https colon www dot, we require to pass here username plus username, username. Okay, also plus in bracket colon. Okay, then let's say pass automate key we required to pass. After that, automated key we required to pass at the rate hub dash cloud dot browser stack .com slash wb webdriver slash hub, wd slash hub. Okay, we have set up this URL, but we require to pass this username and automation key, automate key as well. So let's create two more variables here, like username. Okay, and same way, let's create a one more variable like automate key. Okay, so we require to pass that username here, and we require to pass that automate key here. Okay, So where we found that username and automate key. So just go to the browser stack, which we have already signed in the previous session. Okay, so let's go to this access key section, and here we can find out username. So just copy that username from here and paste it here in double comma, just pass that username. Okay, and after that just copy that access key from here and paste it here. And let's now pass this URL, which is we have globally defined in this URL section. Right, now import this URL from Java neat. Okay, so do like this. Just go to the import section here. Sometimes it will not import properly, so just import like this. Okay, so URL and do some through applications. Okay, and now setup is ready. After that, let's try to open google.com in browser. So driver dot git, and let's open https://www.google.com. Okay, after that do some action on that particular web page. So I'll store one web element. Let's say search is equal to driver dot find element by dot. Okay, so let's find the element for search. So open google.com here in browser and inspect this search element. And this search, let's take name as a queue. Okay, everyone knows that the name is queue. So by dot name, search that element through name, and just type here queue and store that element in this search box. Okay, after that this element is stored in the search. Okay, so through this search, let's do some action on that element. So search dot send keys, and I'll send something like Bhau-Automation in uh, Google homepage search box. Okay, after that let's maximize this window first. I think we not maximize. Okay, have a dot manage dot window dot maximize. And after that searching, let's do some more action like search dot submit to search that particular text on that window. And after that, let's take the title of the web page system.out.println, and let's take driver dot get title, so that we'll verify that we are navigated on Bhau-Automation Lab after search on Google search box. Okay, and after that let's do driver dot quit or close, whatever you want. Okay, so I'll just do quit session. We require to pass quit every time while working with BrowserStack. So just pass driver dot quit. So what we have done here, okay, so we have set a username as that username we have got from the BrowserStack official website, and we have set up access key, which is we got from here, and we have set up hub URL. So we'll pass username, password. This is the format to connect to BrowserStack, and set up some capabilities, driver dot capabilities, and we pass here whatever operating system you want, whatever version of that operating system you want, whatever browser you want, whatever browser version you want. Okay, what is the name of your script. Well, and we have set up that WebDriver, and through remote WebDriver we are connecting to that URL and passing that capabilities to perform that action on that that particular remote driver. And that through that driver we will get in google.com in the browser, maximizing the window, searching the element, and pass the string to the search box, and after that submit, and then after that getting the title of that particular search, and browser will get closed. So this is how we are set up how to run your first Selenium script on browser stack. Okay, so here we have WebDriver, which is assigned to the remote WebDriver, guys. Okay, and just try to understand this line, new remote WebDriver, and so that new URL, we are getting that URL and passing that in the capabilities, whatever you want. Through that setup, we can easily perform Selenium or automation on BrowserStack Cloud. So let's run this script and check whether we are able to search Bhau-Automation Lab on BrowserStack Cloud, Windows 10 and Chrome 80 version. Okay, and running is as the Java application. Okay, script is running. Let's see here anything actions. Okay, in dashboard. Okay, go to dashboard. Okay, one script is running here. Let's refresh this window. Okay, is here showing one script is running, right? Okay, and the script is run successfully. Let's see the output. Google search Bhau-Automation Lab, right? It's the title of our page. So let's see where it is exactly run. So go to the dashboard section. Okay, and here we can see or just run script. Okay, here search Bhau-Automation Lab. Okay, this is our script. All builds whatever you have run. Okay, and this is already I have run for testing purpose, and this is one now just we have run. Okay, few seconds ago, and we have run on Chrome 18, Windows 10. Okay, and here whatever the detected language, Selenium 4, and all those things, Windows 10 browser, whatever the capabilities we have searched. Okay, all these things you can download that video also, what actions we have taken. So just run that video and check whether what happened exactly in the script. So first of all, it's launched google.com in the browser. Then I'll just maximize the page, and it's searching Bhau-Automation Lab in the google.com and taken title of that page. Okay, so this is the process done in the our script, and we have taken the title of that page, right? So this is how we can connect with the BrowserStack Cloud, and we can run our Selenium script on BrowserStack. Okay, if you guys any query related to this code, any query related to this connectivity on to run or run our script on Selenium script on BrowserStack Cloud, you can simply comment out me. I'll give you all the answer related to this. Okay, in the next video session, we will try to run APM script on launch on mobile browser on BrowserStack Cloud. Okay. Till time, keep watching Bhau-Automation Lab, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe all this video, so all your friends and colleagues will get practical understanding on how to work with BrowserStack Cloud. Okay, so let's meet in next chapter. Till time, have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.